Lately I've been eating GMOs, dreaming about the effects that it can hold. But baby, I'm tired of these GMOs. So no more reading facts, we'll be seeing labels. Yeah, we'll be seeing labels.
A GMO, or genetically modified organism, is an organism that has been changed by the addition of genes from another living thing.
80% of all processed foods contains GMOs. 60 countries have restricted GMOs or banned them. 26 states require GMO labels.
I don't think the world is sold. We're just doing what we're told.
We had to make a stop-motion presentation on how cells, organelles, and genetic modification works. Genetic modification is the process of copying DNA. To copy DNA, one must tamper with a genome, and a genome is an organism's hereditary info. To copy it, scientists split the molecule down the middle where the bases meet. With the two half strands of the DNA molecule, they add complementary nucleotides. They now have two identical DNA molecules after the nucleotides form to make a new molecule and inject the new traits into the host organism.
Learning how genetic modification works, we then decided to figure out how and what the effects were on the environment.
We then made a music video on how GMOs affect the environment. GMOs affect three major factors of the environment: biodiversity, outcrossing, and insects.
Diversity, not as many species. Outcrossing creates new weeds. Insects die from seed.
GMOs affect biodiversity by creating vast amounts of GMOs. It affects outcrossing by creating new grass weeds. And it affects insects by the pesticides sprayed on the genetically modified crops, and the pesticides kill the insects.
I could lie. Every GMO makes me.
We have two expert opinions on GMOs.
Monsanto is a company that supports GMOs. Monsanto said, "With biotechnology, our plant scientists can pinpoint desired traits and skip potentially thousands of generations of plant breeding. This means better seeds are available to farmers faster, and better food is available to all of us." There are also protests against GMOs. The non-GMO protest says, "We believe that everyone deserves an informed choice about whether or not to consume genetically modified organisms."
Sink in the river, the lessons I learned. Take that GMO, watch it burn. Sink in the river, the lessons I learned.
In conclusion, we think that GMOs are harmful to the environment. We think that genetically modified produce should be labeled.